Have you guys heard about the most exciting release from Platinum Perfumes? Yes, the news is right. They have released perfume oils, and I'm so excited for this new release. I have 6 perfume oils that I want to talk about. Super excited. Let's begin. Bottle is very simple glass bottle with black plastic cap. The variant name is mentioned right here. You can see the perfume oil right from here. Once you open it, this is how the roll-on applicator is, and you can apply this directly on your pulse points, directly on your skin, and enjoy this fragrance. No rubbing the fragrance, only dab. So that's how you use a perfume oil. Now let's talk about the first variant. This is Born in Roma. This is inspired by Valentino's Donna Born in Roma. This is your woody, floral, fruity fragrance with prominent notes of berries, white florals, and woodiness. This layers really well with all of my fruity floral fragrances. Second one is Amor Cafe, inspired by Mancera's Amor Cafe. This one literally smells like coffee and minty vanillic ice cream in a bottle. It is gourmand, it is sweet, it is uber sexy, and something that is best suited for evenings and nighttime. Then we have from Gucci Bloom Acqua di Fiori. This one is for white floral lovers, as somebody who loves themselves a clean girl vibe with dominations of white florals with some green nuances, because it literally feels like holding a bouquet of white flowers with all of its glory, leaf, stems, nectarine, and the leaf sap with some water combined together to make this gorgeous clean girl scent. Best suited for office, formal, and semi-formal wear. Then I have Kayali Lemon Sugar. Need I say more? This is a best summer gourmand in my opinion. Lemons meeting some sugar with some raspberry twist and some muskiness and vanillic nuances. This is sweet, it's gourmand, but not ultra sweet that you can't wear it in summers. You can wear this all year around during daytime as something that goes really well with semi-formal, formal, as well as casual occasions. Next is Gorgeous Jasmine, inspired from Gucci Gorgeous Jasmine. This is your white floral dominance but with citruses and black pepper kick. It is spicy, it is fresh, it is white floral and slightly zesty. This is elegant and classy and something that I would literally see a bride wearing pastels wearing something like this. Last is Eltaire, which is inspired by Parfum de Marly's Eltaire. My favorite scent profile. This is comforting, just feels like drinking a sip of masala chai. It has some cardamom, sweet nuances of woodiness to it with kick of cinnamon and a very heavy dose of vanilla. Best suited for winters and colder months, but if you want to wear it throughout the year, you can wear it during evenings and nighttime. All of these perfume oils give me a longevity of 7+ hours with strong sillage and strong projection. Price range for 6 ml is 200 to 250 rupees. I think the best affordable attars available right now in the market. These get a whopping 10 out of 10 from me. I love the quality and I love how many variants are there to try. So I'm very happy overall with this release. That's it for today, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!